ano po ang reaksyon nyo doon sa possibility na baka si Senator Escudero ang talagang mag-preside po ng impeachment trial? Yan ay isa sa pinag-uusapan po sa Gatchalian Block.
Whether it is acting SP Win Gatchalian or Senator Chis Escudero, who will be presiding the impeachment trial. In behalf of the prosecutors, we are expressing our faith and confidence to this accountability mechanism, no? And besides, ito namang impeachment trial na ito, this is not a question of who is the presiding officer, who are the senator judges, who are the public and the private prosecutors. No. By impeachment trial, we're trying to exact accountability to the public officials. This is a response to the Constitution's call, which says that public office is a public trust and that public officials must be accountable to the people at all times. I wish to add, itong gagawin na to ng mga prosecutors, this is not about acquittal or conviction. More than that, this is about enforcing and preserving accountability mechanism which is innate in a democratic country like ours.
So okay lang po if in case na si Senator Escudero.
To complete my statement, whether it is former SP Alan or acting SP Win or the one which you mentioned, Senator Chis, we express our faith and confidence to accountability mechanism.
So yung pong nakaraang impeachment, siya kasi yung sinasabi na kaya hindi po natuloy dahil doon sa kanyang decision or interpretation doon sa forthwith.
Nonetheless, the circumstances surrounding the first impeachment back in 19 Congress is entirely different in the circumstances surrounding the second impeachment, no? So, if indeed Senator Chis Escudero will be designated as the presiding officer, let us not judge him on the basis of what happened to the first impeachment back in 19 Congress.